Can you see him? Rahimi's up there, look. Can you see him on his bed? Oh, there is one there. How cool is he? There's another one. How many can you see? They've got sea lions. Oh, so I didn't see him over there. Wow, who's that?
Just around the corner. Let's see if we can go and find them.
Should we go and find the Gruffalo?
Gruffalo, boom. Can we say, come out, Gruffalo?
I think you might need to be louder. Come out, Gruffalo! Yes! Look at him! High five! What did you just do, you lot?
We saw the Gruffalo!
And Mary, what did you do?
See the Gruffalo?
Get in! High five!
We did a Gruffalo meet and greet!
Yep.
And then it went like this. And then it just spun around, and then as we were doing it, it was so fun.
What about you? Did you like it?
There's eggs hiding! Quick!
Amazing creatures on the planet.
Wow!
6 meters past 18.
Antelope species.
Did you enjoy that, Mira? Yeah? What was your favourite part?
Yeah, he spun us the whole way round.
Say bye! Thanks for having us!